Hey everyone, I'm Manasvi, Senior Counselor at Admivo International Education Consultants, and today we are going to talk about UK, that is United Kingdom. In the coming 5 minutes, I'll be solving all your confusions regarding UK and how you can turn your UK dream into a reality. So let's dive in. So, UK is a dream destination for a lot of international students, and this country, UK, is made up of 4 different countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. So, let's dive into it further. So, now the question arises, why to study in UK? Here are further pointers which describes UK as a best destination to study. The first one is world-class education. We are talking about the universities which are consistently ranked top from many years. So UK provides a degree which is recognized globally. And so the second point is shorter courses. This is a major plus one for studying in UK. UK offers 1 year master programs for majority of the courses. So basically, while doing this 1 year course, you are saving a lot on your tuition fee and living expenses. How? I'll tell you. Okay, so if you're doing a 2 year master program, so you will be having expenses for 2 years, we can say. But in UK, the master program is of 1 year, so you are saving a lot on your living expenses. And the third point come here is diversification. In UK, we literally have people from the world, from the globe, we could say. It's not just that Kenyan students are going there. We have people from all over the world, so it gives you a different level of cultural experience compared to any other country. And the fourth one is English is the key. So just think about it. If you went to any country like Germany and all, and the basic requirement there is German language, how you'll communicate with people. But in UK, this thing is very adaptable for us. We all know English, and English is a king there. So it will be very easy for us to adapt to the UK's cultural compared to the non-speaking English countries, we can say. All right, so now you know why UK is a perfect fit for you. But now the major question arises: what to study and where to study? The UK offers an insane range of courses. From evergreen MBA to data science, AI, cybersecurity, cutting edge fields like fintech, sustainable development, and even creative arts. So just don't pick something randomly. Think about your passion, your career goals, and the job market. So when it comes to the universities, don't just look at the ranking. I know they consider they matters the most, but ranking is not everything. You should focus on course structure. Does the curriculum align with what you want to learn? Faculty expertise. Does the professors doing research in your area of interest? Location, city versus campus universities. London is vibrant, but it's really expensive. So smaller cities like Manchester, Bristol, Birmingham offer a great student life, we can say, and at a very lower cost. And the next one is post-study opportunities. Does the university have strong industry links for placement? So now let's talk about cost, because that's the biggest hurdle of student, I guess, right? So the tuition fee for bachelors is roughly around 12,000 to 30,000 pounds, and for masters it's somewhat around 10,000 to 45,000 pounds. It totally depends on the university and course you are choosing. And medical degrees and MBAs can cost higher. And the living cost outside London is somehow between 1,000 to 1,500 pounds, and in London it's especially 1,300 to 2,000 pounds. Okay, it totally depends on your lifestyle, so do not consider this cost the exact one. It's just a basic average. The rest depends on how you live and where you live. Accommodation also plays a very important role in your cost, and the cost covers accommodation, food, transport, and the basic living expenses. So now, moving forward with the application part. To apply to UK university, you need certain documents like your 10th, 12th mark sheet, transcripts which is provided by your college, SOP, LOR resumes. So basically, SOP is a statement of purpose which declares why you want to study in a particular country and what is the reason behind selecting a particular course. LOR can be academic or professionals, and the resume also plays a very important part. The next thing you need is your English proficiency exam. IELTS, TOEFL, or anything works. And also, the one of the we can say USP of UK is that if you do not want to give the IELTS exam or any other English proficiency, you can get the admission on MOI basis. So now here comes the most important part, UK visa. The UK visa generally maintain a high success rate for student visa applications, especially for the Indian students. Okay, the tier 4 now student visa process is pretty straightforward if your documents are ready. Now, here are the required documents for your student visa process. CAS letter, that is confirmation of acceptance for study. Your university will issue this letter once you have done your deposits. Next comes proof of funds for your visa. You'll need to show that you have certain amount for your first year tuition fee, I guess, in your bank account. So the next thing is English proficiency. IELTS is the most common way, but UK universities also accept MOI if you have done your previous education in English only. And the other is IHS, which is health surcharge. You pay this upfront fees for your, availing the services of NHS. And the best part is post study. The graduate visa allows you to stay in UK for 2 years after your bachelor's and master's program and 3 years after your PhD. So, this gives you an incredible opportunity to gain experience and international experience, we can say. So, you can also work there as a student because the students are generally allowed to work 20 hours a week during their term time and they can work full time on holidays, we can say. This helps to cover some of your living expenses. Also, I would like to mention that you should always visit UK government websites to keep yourself updated with all the latest changes because the rules keep on changing and we cannot stuck to the previous one. Now, I would like to conclude by saying that UK offers great opportunity for study, but the only thing that matters is choosing the right course at the right time, whether it's January, May, September, whichever intake. You should start the application process at the right time. Also, for any further assistance, you may contact us. Thank you.